In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post on Zillow, 2026 full guide. Let's start by getting into the right place. Head to Zillow.com and sign into your account so your progress is saved. On the top navigation, hover over the Sell tab and choose Post for Sale by Owner. This is the path that keeps you in control of the listing. When prompted, enter the full street address, city, and state of the property you're selling. Type it exactly as it appears on your mailbox and tax records to avoid mismatches later. Zillow will drop a pin on an interactive map to find your property. Take a second to verify it. If the pin is spot on, confirm that it's the correct location. If it's off, choose to change it. Drag the marker to the precise spot, and then select Save and Continue. An accurate location helps buyers get the right directions and ensures your listing shows up in relevant neighborhood searches. Next comes the heart of your listing: details and media. Set your price based on local market research, recent comparable sales, days on market, and condition. Use automated estimates as a reference, not a rule. Upload high-resolution photos that are bright and sharp, showing both interior and exterior. Aim for good natural light, keep rooms tidy, and include front, back kitchen, living spaces, and standout features. If you have a video tour, paste the link so buyers can experience the layout more fully. Fill out the home facts carefully, choose the correct home type, and enter bedrooms, bathrooms, and total square footage. Add structure details like the year built or remodeled, and write a compelling but honest description that highlights upgrades, storage, outdoor areas, and anything that sets your property apart. If you're hosting an open house, set the date with a clear start and end time. In the What You Love About This House section, speak to lifestyle benefits: natural light, a quiet street, or nearby parks. Then add technical details buyers care about, list included appliances and finishes, and specify your cooling type, heating type, and heating fuel so shoppers can gauge operating costs. To wrap up, provide the phone number or email where you prefer to receive inquiries and make sure you can respond promptly. Check the acknowledgement confirming you have the authority to sell and that your information is accurate and non-discriminatory. Finally, click Post for Sale by Owner to publish your listing. And that is all for today. Taking the time to fill out every detail ensures your home stands out to the millions of buyers browsing Zillow every day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.